Hey folks, how you doing out there? This is another example that I speak to you guys nonstop about the errors on the United States paper money. The errors are very rare to see them. This is a over ink on the 6. You can see how full that is. That is a very nice error and hardly sought after. You notice the regular 6, it's not filled. Now, the United States paper money, or these Federal Reserve notes, there are various type of examples of error. I spoke to about the different types. One of the biggest errors is the over ink errors. The more dramatic the error, the more the green spill, the more the black ink spill, the more different type of inks on the new money, they have different color, the more valuable the piece is. Now let's talk about, we say that the prefix letters say that this is a GK, for example, the Reserve Bank, the K, and this was, say, a different letter, it would be a error on the prefix is very rare. Let's say the suffix letter A here, and let's just say that this was a B by accident. You're looking at $1,000 note. Let's say that this seal was missing. Let's say that this seal was missing. Just all types of various I've seen where, serial numbers are upside down. Those are amazing rare notes. I see serial numbers misaligned all the way up, all the way down, all the way to the right, all the way to the left. You see them missing. You see serial numbers stamped on the back. So you guys understand what I'm saying with the difference of errors. Keep your eyes open, folks. I remember years ago, I got this $50 bill, right? And it had an ink transfer problem. As I looked it up on the older $50 bill, I was like, wow, I could see the whole back on the front. Now, this was like, 2-3 decades ago when I had first started. I'm not saying that I'm old and like that, but I'm not a spring chicken. So when I held the $50 bill, I was like, wow, this looks really different and really cool, right? But I didn't know, to keep it or anything like that about errors or anything, nothing like that. So I put it back in circulation, and that $50 bill, come to find out, in that perfect condition was worth like $750 to $1,000. Keep your eyes open. The best thing that I do, and I tell everybody, I've done this for many years, especially in the beginning, if it looks different, if it looks odd, if it doesn't look the same to you, just put it aside. It doesn't cost you anything anyways. I mean, it's money for money, denomination for, value. That's it. You pay 20, it's 20. I mean, nothing's happening to the money. You know what I mean? You still have your, the money that you're putting aside. And it adds up too.